Welcome to El Ryan International School. If you'd like to apply for admission, please click on the Submit Application button. If you'd like to visit our school and schedule a tour, please click on the Schedule an Event button. And if you'd just like to know a little bit more about ARIS, you can email us at communication@aris.edu.gh or click on the Registration of Interest button here. We look forward to meeting you soon. Step 1, student information. If you're registering your student, please fill out all of the student information here. You can see I've filled in some dummy text. Fill all of that in. And most importantly is once you get to the very bottom, click Save and Next. So let's do that together. We've completed the student information. Now we're moving to step 2, family information. You will fill out your parent number 1, parent or guardian information. Here I've added father, Father Smith, given name dad. It asks about your business and phone numbers and contact, and all this will be stored in your student information portal. We would ask for the email where we can contact you. You would be asked to set a password and a confirmation for your account in Open Apply, and you will need to keep this information, so write it down. Parent or guardian number 2 could possibly be mother, and we filled that in there. You can see where we come down here to siblings information. Do you have any baby brothers or sisters at home? Or do you have any older siblings? And what school do they go to? Do they go to school? Are they a baby? Then most importantly, again, we're going to hit Save and Next. So we'll do that now. We are nearly done. We're at step 3 now, which is the additional information. This goes over the academic history of your student. What school are they coming from? Where is it located? What country? When did they attend? From what date to what date? And what grade, year, or standard? Depending on the naming in the school. Was it called first grade? Was it called year 1? Or was it a standard-based naming? Your language of instruction, and then again, your previous school before that, and before that, and before that. Then you'll get down here too, and if you need additional school space, you can click the button here, Add School. Required additional student information. So this is information that is required. Please read it carefully and select either yes or no. After you're done with that, you again want to make sure that you click the Save and Next button. And we're going to do that again now. Now we're going to review and confirm our information. So please go over the student information that we've typed in here. Go over your parent and guardian. Make sure that everything is filled out correct. Your phone numbers are correct. Your emails are correct. Your siblings information, your academic history. Please make sure that everything is correct. And then we are going to make sure we click on the Submit Application button. And we're going to do that now. And all of this brings us to the checklist. You can see here in the gold writing, you have incomplete checklist items. You have a green button here that says go to checklist. If I click go to checklist, it takes us right down to what is still due for the admission application. Now you can see that some of them, number 4 has been checked off. I have submitted number 7, so it's been checked off. I uploaded a dummy ad here just so you could, for sake of being able to see it. And now we are going to fill out together the emergency treatment form and get it marked off of our checklist. So we have the information in here. There's all this information. Let's see, all of our information is filled in. For the first family name here, and we will say given name is, and for phone numbers, We have our phone number here. You could add more contacts if you need to. Your doctor's name, I'm going to just write any doc. Family name, any fam. And for the sake of speed, just I'm throwing in any clinic. And again, another clinic telephone number. We do have the West African Rescue, so that's something you can ask more information about. And here we give our consent for our child, Mary. And there's some more information required for your signature. Both parents need to sign, and you need to click submit. Now, once you click submit, it's going to take you to the details page. And this is where I think a lot of parents are having confusion, because now you need to come down and click submit again. Once you agree to all the information you wrote, and if you don't, there is typically an edit icon where you can then edit your information. So you have to click submit a second time. So let's do that together. Now we're back. We should be able to go down to the emergency treatment form, and you can see that item number 12 on our checklist has now been crossed off. Thank you.